My name is Nikolsky Victor, and condition of the crew and ship approximately is normal.
Normal.
Yes.
Thank you. What is the total of your crew?
My crew is in normal condition, without any illness. Over.
Without any illness. Thank you. What is the total number of your crew? How many members are you on board?
Quantity of the crew, number of the crew, 20 persons. 20 persons.
20 persons.
Yes, 20 persons. It was 21. One man was died. Over.
How many did you say died? How many died on sea?
Just one man died.
What is the nationality of that man?
Nationality, he was Russian.
He was Russian. Have you been treated well?
Pardon me? Repeat.
Okay, let me ask you that question. What was the cause of his death?
He was died due to high pressure blood attack.
So he hasn't been killed. He hasn't been killed. Is that what you're saying?
No. He was not killed. He was not killed.
Thank you. My next question is, did you manage to have any contacts with your families or with the company that you work for?
Please, not so louder because there's a noisy.
Okay, I apologize. Did you manage to make any contacts with your family?
We have not communication with our families.
So you have no communication with your family and with the company that you work for?
I not take a part in negotiations, and negotiations in progress between commander of the soldiers and owners. I not take a part in that case, and I not use what state of the conditions in negotiations.
Okay, thank you very much, Captain, for your time, and I hope you will be released soon safely.